Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability problems. Today's subtopic is logarithmic differentiation. Okay, now explain question number 1. If y is equal to x to the power x, then find out dy by dx. Okay, we have one formula. Y is equal to f of x power g of x. Then dy by dx equal to f of x power g of x into g of x into f dash x by f of x plus g dash x into log f of x. G dash x into log f of x. So what is the given statement? Y is equal to x to the power x. On comparing y is equal to f of x power g of x with y is equal to x to the power x. Okay, where f of x, g of x both are equal to x. Where f of x is x and also g of x is equal to x. Okay, derivative of f of x is f dash x. The differentiation of x will be 1. Differentiation of g dash x is g of x is also 1. F of x, g of x, f dash x, g dash x, all values substituted in this formula. Okay, therefore now substituting all values in that formula, where f of x value x, g of x value x into g of x value right x, f dash x value 1, f of x value x plus log f of x, log of where f of x value x into g dash x value 1. In this x get cancelled. What is the answer? X power x into 1 plus log x. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Y is equal to log x power x, then find out dy by dx. Okay, on comparing log x power x with f of x power g of x. So y is equal to f of x power g of x. Therefore f of x value log x and g of x value x. So differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of g of x is 1 because derivative of x will be 1. Okay, now what is the formula? Dy by dx is equal, where f of x place in right log x and g of x place in right x. Log x power x into g of x, where g of x value x, f dash x value 1 by x upon f of x value right log x plus g dash x value 1 log of f of x value right log x. So what is the answer? In this x get cancelled. So log x power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x, this is answer. Okay, now moving on, next question. Y is equal to sin x to the power x, then find out dy by dx. Where f of x value is sin x and g of x value x. Where f of x equal to base sin x and g of x is power x. Now differentiation of f of x is derivative of sin x cos x and derivative of x will be 1. Okay, so what is the formula? F of x power g of x into this value. Therefore dy by dx is equal to f of x power g of x. So f of x value sin x power g of x value x into g of x value x into f dash x value we have cos x by f of x value sin x plus g dash x value we got 1 log of where f of x value right sin x. So this is answer. So this is nothing but sin x to the power x. Sin x to the power x into cos x by sin x is cot x plus log of sin x. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of d by dx of x to the power tan x. Okay. On comparing x to the power tan x with f of x power g of x, where f of x value x and g of x value tan x, where f of x is equal to x and g of x is tan x. So derivative of f of x we get 1 and the derivative of g of x is secant square x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Okay, what is the formula? Therefore dy by dx is equal to f of x power g of x, where f of x value x to the power tan x into g of x. In this g of x value tan x into f dash x value 1 by f of x value x. Okay, plus g dash x. This value secant square x into log of f of x value, right, x. So this is answer. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of d by dx of cos x power log x. On comparing cos x power log x with f of x power g of x, where f of x is cos x and g of x is log x, where f of x is cos x and g of x is log x. Okay, now derivative of f of x is minus sin x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x, that is g dash x. So what is the formula? dy by dx is equal to, so f of x power g of x, where f of x value cos x power log x into g of x, where g of x value log x into f dash x value we have minus sin x upon f of x, where f of x is cos x, plus g dash x value 1 by x into log of, where f of x value, right, cos x. Okay, this is answer. So cos x power log x into, okay, this is going to be minus sin x by cos x is tan x minus tan x into log x. Okay, plus this is log of cos x upon x. This is answer. Okay, look at the next question. Y is equal to ax plus b power cx plus d. Then find out dy by dx. Okay. So on comparing ax plus b power cx plus d with f of x power g of x, where f of x value ax plus b and g of x value cx plus d. Therefore f of x is equal to ax plus b and g of x is cx plus d. Okay, now derivative of f of x is derivative of ax plus b, a constant, derivative of x1 constant, derivative 0, this will be a. So derivative of g of x we get g dash x, derivative of cx plus d, c constant, differentiation of x1 plus d constant, derivative 0, this will be c. So what is the formula? dy by dx is equal to, in this formula f of expression, right, ax plus b power cx plus d, okay, g of x value into g of x, where g of x value cx plus d into f dash x value into a by f of x value ax plus b, g of x into f dash x by f of x, plus g dash x value we have c log of, where f of x value, right, ax plus b. Okay, this is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Find the value of d by dx of x to the power x power x. Okay, we have one formula, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. Okay, x to the power x whole power x, this will be d by dx of x to the power x square. Okay, on comparing x to the power x square with f of x power g of x, where f of x value x and g of x is equal to x square. What is the power? X square. Okay, g of x value x square. Therefore, f dash x, we have derivative of x1 and derivative of g of x value 2x. Derivative of x square, we get 2x. Okay, what is the formula? Dy by dx is equal to f of x power g of x. So x to the power x square into g of x, where g of x value x square into f dash x value 1 by f of x value x. Okay, plus g dash x value 2x into log of x. Okay, one x get cancelled. What is the answer? X power x square is nothing but x to the power x. So x plus 2x into log x. In this one x take out common, x to the power x into x, 1 plus 2 log x. 1 plus 2 log x. Okay, now I am going to explain. Y is equal to x to the power sin x, then find out dy by dx. Okay, on comparing x to the power sin x with f of x power g of x, where f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to sin x. Okay, the derivative of f of x, we get 1. Derivative of g of x value cos x. So what is the formula? Dy by dx is equal to f of x power g of x, where f of x value x, g of x value sin x. So x to the power sin x into g of x, where g of x value write sin x, f dash x value 1, okay, where f of x value x, plus g dash x value cos x into log f of x, log of, where f of x value x. Okay, this is answer. X to the power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. Okay, look at the next question. X to the power m into y to the power n is equal to x plus y power m plus n. Then find out dy by dx. This is a very important problem. Okay, this is the standard result. Answer is y by x. Okay, now explain this proof. So x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to x plus y power m plus n. Okay, this type of problem is taking logarithm on both sides. So log of x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to log of x plus y power m plus n. Okay, we have log AB formula, log A plus log B. Log x to the power m plus log y to the power n is equal to, this is m plus n into log x plus y. Okay, so this is nothing but m log x, m into log x plus n into log y is equal to m plus n into log of x plus y. So now applying differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So m constant, differentiation of log x, we get 1 by x, n into this differentiation 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay, differentiation of log y 1 by y, but y differentiation into dy by dx equal to m plus n into derivative of, okay, derivative of log x plus y. Derivative of log x plus y, this will be 1 by x plus y into the differentiation of x1, differentiation of y is dy by dx by using chain rule. Okay, this will be m by x, n by y into dy by dx. So this will be, so m plus n by x plus y multiply with 1 plus dy by dx. M plus n by x plus y plus m plus n by x plus y into dy by dx. Okay, our target is dy by dx. Okay, our target is dy by dx. Okay, we collect dy by dx terms. The dy by dx term bring the left side, this m by x bring the right side. So n by y into dy by dx minus m plus n by x plus y into dy by dx equal to this value m plus n by x plus y minus m by x. Okay. So on dy by dx, take out common on left side. So let us do LCM. Y into x plus y. Okay. N into x plus y, nx plus ny. Minus of m plus n into y, minus my minus ny. This will be on right side. LCM is x into x plus y, mx plus nx. Okay. Minus m multiply with this x plus y, minus mx minus my. Both side x plus y get cancelled. Okay. Ny minus ny plus ny cancel. In this minus mx plus mx get cancelled. So therefore dy by dx into nx minus my by y is equal to nx minus my by x. Both side nx minus my also get cancelled. Therefore answer will be dy by dx is equal to okay y by x. Okay, moving on next question. If x to the power 2019 into y to the power 2020 equal to x plus y power 4039, then find out dy by dx. Okay, this is the formula. X to the power m into y to the power n is equal to x plus y whole power m plus n. Okay, then dy by dx value y by x, where m value 2019, n value 2020. Now we have to find m plus n value. So this is 4039. This is m plus n value. Okay, this condition is satisfied. So answer is therefore dy by dx is equal to y by x. This answer is y by x. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.